What if the world as we know it ends tomorrow? Would you be prepared for the medical challenges ahead? Imagine a global catastrophe, a world on the brink. Amidst the chaos, one thing remains certain: the importance of medical preparedness. Essential medical supplies can mean the difference between life and death. They are as crucial as food and shelter when it comes to survival. Survival isn't just about food and shelter, it's also about health. So, what are the most important medical supplies you need in an apocalypse? In a world where pharmacies and hospitals are no longer an option, your survival kit must include these essential medical supplies. At the top of the list is a comprehensive first aid kit. This kit is your initial line of defense, containing items like bandages, antiseptics, and tools for minor surgeries. It's your go-to for treating wounds and preventing infections. Next, we have antibiotics. In an apocalypse, even minor infections can be deadly without treatment. Antibiotics will help your body fight off these invasions and keep you healthy. Third, there are painkillers. Pain can be debilitating, and in a survival situation, you need to stay as functional as possible. Over-the-counter painkillers can help manage pain and maintain your ability to cope. Lastly, don't forget about essential medication for chronic conditions. If you or a loved one has a chronic disease, ensuring a supply of necessary medication is critical. These supplies can be the difference between life and death in a world turned upside down. Medical supplies are more than just items in your apocalypse survival kit, they are your lifeline. They stand between you and the grim specter of death, offering a glimmer of hope in the darkest of times. Take a moment to consider the humble bandage. It's not just a piece of cloth. It's a barrier against infection, a shield that guards your body's most precious commodity, its health. In an apocalyptic scenario, a simple cut or scrape could mean the difference between life and death. That bandage could save your life. Then there are antibiotics, those tiny capsules of hope. They wage war against invisible enemies, fighting off infections that could otherwise ravage your body. In a world where medical facilities are scarce, these microscopic warriors could be your best defense against a painful end. Don't forget about the medication for chronic illnesses. Diabetes, heart disease, asthma, these are no longer manageable with a quick trip to the pharmacy. Your survival kit needs to be stocked with enough medication to keep these conditions at bay. It's not just about surviving the apocalypse, it's about surviving your own body's rebellion. And it's not just about the physical. Mental health is equally important. Having a supply of essential medication can mean the difference between clear-headed resilience and the fog of despair. In an apocalypse, medical supplies are not just about health, they are about hope. They give you the chance to live another day, to fight another battle, and to survive in a world that's fighting against you.